In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell digital products for free with Payhip. Now, Payhip allows you to sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more, and I'm going to walk you through the full process from start to finish. So what you first need to do is go to Payhip. So if you haven't already, just go to Google, search for Payhip, and it should be the first one. Create a free website and sell online. So once you've got to Payhip, you need to enter in your email address. You can get started here for free without using or adding your credit card. If you go to pricing, we can also check that they have a free forever plan, which just takes a small transaction fee when someone buys. So they take here 5% as the transaction fee. So click sign up for free, and we can go ahead and enter in our first and last name and email address and then create our free account. So once we've done that, Payhip are then going to create our store, and we need to tell Payhip a little bit about ourselves. So we need to give our store a name. So you can give your store a general name, or if you have a specific niche, you can niche down. For the video, I'm just going to call my store KnowledgeBase Store. You can call your store whatever you want. So my store is going to be called KnowledgeBase Store. We can click continue. What would you like your store username to be? I'm just going to have my username as just KnowledgeBase. That may not be available though, so I may have to change it. So we'll go with KnowledgeBase Store. And there we go. We are now welcome to Payhip. Now you're going to be on your dashboard, and if you scroll down here, there are going to be some things that we need to set up. So we need to add our first product. We need to then set up the checkout page and the payment methods. Then we can customize our store design. So we'll start with adding our first product. So if you click on that, you can then click add a product. You can then choose what you want to sell. So in this case, we are selling a digital product, but you can sell courses, memberships, coaching services, or bundles. For the video though, we'll just sell a digital product. Once you click on that, it will take you to this page here where you can upload your digital product and then title it. So here we are on that new page. We can now add our digital product. So if you click here where it says upload product file, I'm going to upload a Photoshop template. So this is just going to be my thumbnail template that I use. So we'll just upload this template. Now that's being uploaded, we can also choose the title and also the price. So I'm going to enter in a title and price here, and then I'll be back. You can change whatever currency you want. I'm going to change this to $50. And if you hover over this here, you can allow customers to set their own price. If you type 0+, they'll be able to set their own price. You can also set a minimum price. So say I want the minimum price to be $50. I can type 50+, and then the minimum price will be $50. Customers can choose to pay more if they think it's worth more. Coming to the next step, we now need to add a cover image. Now you can upload a product image here, which is recommended to be 1000 pixels. Now, if you want to create a cover image for free, I recommend you just go to canva.com, and once you've signed up with a free account on Canva, you can go create a design, custom size, and you can create a design here. So I would just go 1920 by 1080, and you can then create your own cover image. So for the video, I'll just go ahead and create a random one here. So let's say this is my cover image. We can then go ahead and download this. Now I recommend you watch all of my other Canva videos if you want to learn how to use Canva. Nonetheless, we can upload our product image, which we've just downloaded here from Canva. So there it is. Okay, so now what we can do, we can add a description if we wanted to, and if we want everyone to see it, we can make this visible, invisible, or unlisted. If it's unlisted, you're going to have to give the link to people, so I recommend if you're creating an online store, just make it so it's visible and everyone can see it. Then you can go ahead and click add product, and it's then going to add that product to your store. And you can click here where it says, show me my product page. Okay, so here is our very simple product page, which actually looks very, very good. You can see here, you will get a PSD file. And all we need to do now is set up our payment methods, whether that be PayPal or Stripe. Okay, so here is the link to our store. Now what we can do, we can go ahead and go to account, and we can go ahead and set up our payment methods. So we'll go to settings, and then we'll go payment details. Now what we can do, we can go ahead and log in with PayPal or Stripe, and we can connect our PayPal or Stripe account. So if we click on this, it's going to ask for your PayPal email. Once you enter in your PayPal email, all you have to do is confirm your PayPal account. So click on this button, it's going to then open PayPal up, where you just have to approve and connect your PayPal account. It is very, very simple. Just go through the steps on screen. Once you've done that, your store will then be live. And if you go to store, you can change here your name and also your URL. If you want to have a look at your store in the future, just go to products, and here you can see all of your products, which you can delete if you wanted to start over again. If you click view, it will show you your store's page. So here it is, and this is your page here where you can sell your digital products. So that is how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.